72 Caprice. Been sitting here 6 months. I just put a battery in it. I see I got a charge from AutoZone. Hasn't started in 6 months. So y'all, pipe's cold. You know what I mean? All the pipes are cold. See how long it takes to start it up. Leaves and shit falling out of it. Let's give her 2 pumps. Shit. Oop, it died. Let's try to get her crank. Do we need a pump? Not too shabby. Nothing better than living in old school, man.